How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Here we go. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner you can find 3 bars. Go ahead and click on it. Now head towards the settings icon. Over here you're going to find different options. Head towards the option of privacy and safety. Now open this option end-to-end encrypted chats. Now go ahead and click on this option of security alerts. Click on manage security alerts. Toggle off for all these options. With that, you have just removed end-to-end encryption. Likewise, heading towards next option, you have to restrict the chat. So go ahead and open the conversation. Now at the top, you'll find the username of that person. Click on it. Over here, you're going to find different options. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option of restrict. Restricting will move the chat out of sight and hide your activity. Click on restrict. Once you restrict this person, this is similar to removing end-to-end encryption. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, you have to delete the entire conversation. That way it will remove end-to-end encryption for the chat. So long press on the conversation. Click on delete. Delete this entire conversation. Click on delete. With that, you will be good to go. Applying these solutions, you can easily remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.